Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders couldn't start the game. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you are getting the Arc Raiders couldn't start the game error, there are a few different fixes you can try to solve the problem. First, you should disable the Easy Anti-Cheat service. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type run. Then open the run application. In the run box, type msconfig and click OK. This will open the system configuration window. From there, go to the Services tab and look for Easy Anti-Cheat in the list. If you see it, uncheck the box next to it. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Once you have done that, the next step is to verify the game files in Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Arc Raiders in your game list. I will do for this game. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Installed Files section and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the files and automatically fix any missing or corrupted files that may be causing the error. After verifying the files, you should adjust the compatibility settings for the game. In the same Installed Files section, click on Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate the game's main executable file. Right-click on it. Go to Show More Options and then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable the options, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Another thing you can try is deleting a specific Easy Anti-Cheat file. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive, then open programfiles.x86. Inside that folder, look for the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS folder. Open it and find the file related to the Easy Anti-Cheat system, then delete it. This can help reset the anti-cheat files that may be preventing the game from launching properly. Finally, after completing all these steps, restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all the changes take effect. Once your PC starts again, try launching Arc Raiders, and the game should work without showing the couldn't start the game error. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Arc Raiders couldn't start the game. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.